am going to share with you a website which is having more than 37 million traffic. I am talking about Medium. Don't worry, I will show you. For that, what you have to do, just go to the Medium and create your account. I will just show you in the incognito window so that you will understand how you can create a free account over here and make over millions of traffic to your any niche of business. For that, what you have to do, just go to this. For that, what you have to do, you have to just sign in. Okay, you have an option, either you can go with the Google, Facebook, Apple, Twitter, or you can sign up with your email. I have already created my email account and I have already signed up. I will show you my account also. Okay, now I will show you. This is my account. I have put up my link over here. As you can see over here, my website blog name prodigalbusiness.com I have put up over here. I will show you. This is the no follow or follow, but before that we will see how much traffic this website is coming. Okay, we will just paste this link over here and just check the traffic, how much traffic this website is coming. Now you have to just check the verify human. Okay, now you can see this has organic 37 million traffic from tier 1 country, that is US, and from other countries too. So before that, we just making the account, we see the what is the domain authority of this website. So as you can see, this is a 95 domain authority, which is a very high authority and ranking 6.4 million keywords in Google. So it's a very high domain authority website. For that, you have to just go account. It's very easy. I already explained you.